This is DJI Air 3 and today I will show how you can assemble the remote controller of this drone. So let's begin by mounting these joysticks we have at the bottom. So mounting them is as easy as taking them out and screwing them into its respective joystick control. Just screw it clockwise. Do the same for the second stick as well. And the stick controls are mounted. Now what you also want to do is to obviously connect your remote controller to smartphone. And the way you do that is by taking this mounting rack out. Then here inside you should find this wire, connection wire, or if you will not find it here, look for it inside your drone's box or packaging. Take it out or replace it with a lightning connector if you plan to use your remote controller with an iPhone. Now connect it to your device, launch the DJI app obviously, but that's the topic for a whole another video. Then mount your smartphone like that, or well, give me a sec here. Mount it something like here, or something like that rather. Then launch the DJI app as I've already mentioned, and well, do not forget to switch on the controller. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.